Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix no option for forget screen time passcode. If you have forgotten your screen time passcode on your iPhone, normally you can reset it if you remember your Apple ID and password. However, some users have reported that the option to reset the forgotten screen time passcode is not available. If you are facing this issue, here's a stale way to reset your screen time passcode. Let's explore the steps to resolve the problem when you find no option for forget screen time passcode. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is update iOS version. If you're not seeing the forgot passcode option on your iPhone for screen time, updating to the latest operating system might solve the problem. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is sign out of Apple ID and back in. Sometimes just signing out and then signing back into your Apple ID can help by refreshing your account settings and resolving the issue. For this, open your iPhone settings and then at the top you will see your name and Apple ID photo. Tap on this. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on sign out. After sign out, simply sign back in with your Apple ID and you are done. And the next step is ask the family organizer. If your Apple ID is linked as a child account within an Apple family group, you won't have access to the forget passcode option. This is because the ability to remove or change the passcode is reversed for the family organizer. For this, launch the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your profile picture and name at the top of your menu to enter the Apple ID screen. Next, tap on family sharing. If you are using family sharing, then tap on the name of the child for whom you want to change the screen time passcode and then change the screen time passcode here and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings on the iPhone. If none of these methods work, your last option is to reset all settings on your iPhone. Unlike a factory reset, this process won't lead to any loss of your data. It simply reverts all settings to their default state. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. Enter the passcode to proceed. Your iPhone will take some time and restart and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of no option to forgot screen time passcode, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.